Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b where a square minus b square is equal to 4 and ab is equal to 2. Now we have given a square minus b square is equal to 4, or taking square to both sides, we can write a square minus b square whole square is equal to 4 square, or applying formula a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab, we can write it as a square plus b square whole square minus 4 times a square b square is equal to 4 square is 16, or a square plus b square whole square minus 4. A square b square can be written as ab whole square is equal to 16, or a square plus b square whole square minus 4. The value of AB is equal to 2. Now substituting the value of AB, we can write 2 square is equal to 16, or a square plus b square whole square minus 2 square is 4, 4 times 4 is 16 is equal to 16, or taking this 16 to right side, we can write a square plus b square whole square is equal to 16 plus 16, or a square plus b square whole square is equal to 16 plus 16 is 32, or taking square root to both sides, we will have a square plus b square is equal to square root of 32, or applying formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus twice ab is equal to 32 is 16 times 2 square root, or a plus b whole square minus 2, substituting the value of ab is 2 is equal to, it can be written as square root of 16 times square root of 2, or a plus b whole square minus 2 times 2 is 4 is equal to square root of 16 is 4 square root of 2, or taking this 4 to right side, we will have a plus b whole square is equal to 4 square root of 2 plus 4, or a plus b whole square is equal to, taking common 4, we will have 4 times square root of 2 plus 1, or taking square root to both sides, we will have a plus b is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 square root of 2 plus 1. So the value of a plus b is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 square root of 2 plus 1. So this is the value of. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.